guys, it's Mia and I'm here today to do an unboxing of the spring mystery box from Daily Charm. I actually ordered it I want to say like 2 days ago and got it today, which I'm shocked because it comes from California and I live on the East Coast. So I was very excited to receive this box today. But I've ordered their boxes before, but I've only done like one unboxing, and I think it was a Christmas one on this channel. But last year I did the summer mystery box. I didn't film it, but I did enjoy it. So I'm really excited. I figured let me open this on camera. Like, I literally walked from the mailbox, went to the kitchen, cut off the tape so I could just easily open it, but I haven't actually opened it yet. So we're gonna do it on camera. So what we're gonna do is go through the box, see what's in it, and I'm so excited. So like I said, this is the spring box, and I didn't see anyone else post a video on this yet because I was trying to see if I could, you know, get a preview of what was already in it, but I guess not. So hopefully I'm not disappointed. So you get your regular little pink, what is this, crunchy paper. Let's see. All right, so we're just gonna get the big stuff. So this is a rose soap. I didn't think they sold soap, but maybe this is like a little gift, but it's cute. It's pretty. I don't know if I'll ever use this rose soap, but we'll see. This looks like a little duster brush, which is actually good because I did my nails today and I was looking for my brush and couldn't find it. So perfect timing because I had to get creative to get the dust off of these nails. All right, so I'm gonna put that to the side. Oh, okay. There's a little card. Okay, some little flowers. These are cute. Definitely can do them in a few sets for spring. A charm gel, and you usually get a charm gel in these mystery boxes. So let's see if I got a good color. I pray I did. Let's see, this is Wonderlust. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, yeah, this is a really good color. You see that? That is really pretty. That's nice. Yeah, I will definitely use this. I love like toppers like this. This is nice. So I am excited about that. Okay, so we got these little baby flowers, which I'm actually I'm glad because I was going to order these from I think it was AliExpress. So I'm glad I didn't because I would have been really hurt. So these are cute. I'm definitely going to use these like soon. Shoot, I may put them on these nails. I just may. Got some, see? You can clearly see I just did my nails. I got some little residue. Not residue, but the gel. I kind of rushed these. I didn't file that well. Okay, what is this? It looks like a pen. It looks like a flower pen. Okay. Interesting. I didn't know. Do they sell pens on the... Oh, it's another charm gel. I was gonna say, do they sell pens on the website? I didn't know that. So, ooh, ballerina. Let's see this color. Looks like it's probably gonna be a peach. Ooh, it's kind of hard. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, I like this color. This ballerina looks like a peachy color. It'll pair well with this Wonderlust. So I'm surprised I get 2 charm gels because usually you just get 1. So not mad at that. What is this? This is a brush. I don't know what kind of brush it is. Maybe for chrome and glitter presses, maybe. Okay. Okay, we got some stickers. These kind of feel 3D. Okay. And let me think, what did I pay for this? I think it was $49. Nail foils. This is pretty. I do like this nail foil. It's very pretty. Oh, this is the, I seen this kind of like a shell. You can break it up or, you know, put it on your nail. It has that, like, to me, it reminds me of a seashell. Excuse me. This is really pretty. Excuse me. It's been a long day, guys. So sorry. Another sticker, sheet, flowers, butterflies. Okay. What are these? Some little rhinestones. Oh, these are pretty. I was looking at these on AliExpress last night, so glad I didn't order them because they're here. And then some more flowers. Let's see. Okay, some little butterflies. Ooh, I'm trying not to. Sorry, I keep hitting the camera. Okay, what is this? This is pretty. You can see this glitter. Yeah, it's a pretty glitter. I'm not mad at that. Okay, and these are, looks like chunky glitters. I'm gonna open these up. Get them open. Let me see if there's anything. Okay, so that looks like that's the last thing. I'm kind of disappointed because usually you get some type of a nail powder, like a unicorn powder or a chrome. Matter of fact, my summer box, I got this Galaxy Hollow Flaky, and then the box before that, I got a unicorn powder, I want to say, and then my other box, I got another like hollow powder. So I was really hoping for those powders, because the powders are like like $20, $25. I really wanted one of those, but oh well. So yeah, that's it. So let's see. Oh, it's a little. Oh, these are pretty glitters though. That has little flowers in it. Hopefully you can see it. What is this? It's just a pretty pink. Another glitter. Oh, this is pretty. It has butterflies in this one and flowers. And then this one is a pretty green. This will be good for St. Patrick's Day. So, I mean, it's a cute glitter set. So, all in all, I think one of these are leaking. You get a good amount of stuff. Matter of fact, I want to put, let me just double check, make sure I got everything. I'm going to try to put everything in view. Uh-oh. Got these glitters, 2 gel polishes. These dried flowers, this random pen. Did I point the brush? These flowers that are really cute. Butterflies, some charms and stuff. You get some stickers, so you get a good variation of items in the box. Yeah, I think I paid $49 for it. But, and I like the brush. The two, I still think this soap was very random. And this pen. I wish this would have been more of a nail items. I mean, I guess you wash your hands with it, but especially order from Daily Charme. I want to focus on nail stuff. That's why I'm hoping this is more of just a, I want to say this is a nail brush. But these two could have been a nail product. But okay, if it's a gift, then it's a gift. But the other items are really good. So it's a good summer box. I know they have, I think it's, the code is summer box on the site right now, where you can get your shipping for free. So yeah, if you've ever wanted to try Daily Charme, or you know, wanted to get a variation of items, because they come out every season. I think other than fall, I wish they would have a fall box, but they don't. Or I've never seen it, so hopefully they'll come out with a fall box soon. If they do, I'll definitely grab that. But yeah, this is a spring box, so you get some really cute goodies. A good variation for the price. But let me know if you ordered this box, if you're thinking about ordering it, and put your comments down below. Like, save, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.